Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Guide Hub. Today in this video, I'm going to guide you guys on a step-by-step tutorial on how to create a FedEx account. If you have any packages that you need to deliver to someone else or the packages that you are supposed to receive from someone else, then FedEx is the application that helps you to track the packages. Now, since we have a better understanding on what a FedEx app is and what it does, let's jump right into our video. The first thing we're going to do is open our FedEx app. And from here you'll be directed towards this page where you'll have to read through the paragraph that is written here. Once you read through the user agreement, and if you agree with what's written here, then tap on the box that's located on the end and tap on accept. Once you're done with the entire process, here you'll be on the next page. On the next page, you can see your option login written on the bottom of the screen on the blue letters. Tap on the login button. And once you do that, on the very end, you can see option sign up. Here you'll have to tap on the sign up option. After tapping on the sign up option, here you'll be on the next page where you'll have to fill out this form. On the form, you'll have to fill out your first name, your surname, your address, and your postcode, and so on. Slowly fill out the information that is required here. Yeah, as you can see, I have successfully filled out the form. And once you're also done with the process, tap on the continue button that is located on the very end. Once you tap on the continue button, here you'll be on the second page. Here on the next page, you'll have to type in your user ID and then you'll have to create your password and re-enter your password. Now let's move towards this process. After that, here you'll be asked to select a secret question. Select a secret question of your choice. Once you're done with that, scroll down and you can see about two boxes here. Once you read both of the options, tap on the boxes that are located there. And lastly, tap on the sign up button that is located on the very end. After waiting for some time, here as you can see, you have successfully created your FedEx account. You can check whether your account has been created or not by going on the menu button that is located on the top left hand side corner. Once you do that, on the very first, you can see your username written there. Once you tap on it, you'll be on your profile page. And from here, as you can see, you are logged in and signed up. That was an easy step-by-step tutorial on how to create a FedEx account. Thank you for staying to the very end of this video. I hope you found our video helpful. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to leave us a like and subscribe. Have a good day.